This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 35 of Building Robocop. This issue we're continuing the other leg, the right leg, left leg. It's a leg. We're doing it must be the right leg because it's the one that's got the holster in it. After flicking through the magazine, looking at the evil heir to Robocop. One of the heads, I should think. Is it? The new head from the new film, I believe. So there we go. That's that. This is the leg that we're continuing. Yeah, the little detail parts on the lower leg that we've got already. That won't take very long to do. And then we'll be at that stage, going next to the other leg at some point. So yeah, let's continue on. Robocoaster. That's some sort of like a robotic gimbally type thing, a motion thing. Cool. Edge computing. I don't know about edge computing. I know about big tractors. It's got a huge tyre on that. Look at the size of that. There we go. Right, that's all that. That's it for the book. Yep, that's it for the magazine this time. So let's clear it out of the way and let's get on with this leg. Yep, so just two parts in this delivery, both plastic cover pieces, and they are covering over the parts that we need screws on and things on this. So while it's all back together nice and tight, it'll only go one way round with a little curved piece across the top that goes on there like so and pushes in place just like that. The other one does exactly the same across the back there. Obviously make sure that's all as it should be first, because once you get these in, they don't come out very easily. So get that lined up, push down, and that should be, I believe, the lower part of the leg complete. There's no other missing pieces on there. Everything else is as it should be and looking very nice indeed. So next time we're going to be continuing up the leg for that. So yeah, all good, and that all pivots and works as it should on there. So that's that. One issue down, 3 more in this delivery. So I shall see you in a couple of days for the next part. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.